Canyon Rim Boardwalk offers scenic views of the gorge and the new River Bridge. An easy walk on a fully accessible ramp leads to the first viewing point, while 178 steps descend to the lower overlook. The new River Gorge Bridge was completed in 1977. It reduced a 40-minute drive down narrow mountain roads to cross the new river to less than 1 minute. It's the longest steel span in the Western Hemisphere and the third highest in the United States. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.